Okay, real quick, hazmat on the product. I meant the test product. We're going to have shipping. If it's a non-hazmat product, a regular product that needs to use FedEx shipping, it's going to have weight and dimensions. And this is all the flat rate stuff. So we'll select no shipping class and hit update. If this is a hazmat item like a solvent, none of this matters. We need to go to hazmat info. We need to check the box that tells it we need to pull hazmat rates and it's a hazmat item. We need to fill in all the hazmat information. This last bit is, don't know what it is, don't really care. It's something about the shipment being accessible, so wouldn't worry about it. But in order to pull the rate, what it needs is it needs the hazmat ID. So it needs to know what the product is, what the hazard class is, and all that stuff. These are all required, so if this box is checked, these must be filled in or it will not let you save it. But once they are and you save it, this item will now pull hazmat rates. The multiple box question is trying to figure out where to pull that stuff from, and I'll show you. If you go to WooCommerce settings, if we want to decide whether in the shipping area we're calculating based on individual items or everything packed into a box, we have to go into the shipping and then shipping zones. And within each zone, each shipping method is enabled. Only for California right now to have FedEx enabled. And I must edit that in order to get to this configuration. And when I do that, parcel packing method is an item here. Individually is what we have now. You'll want to set that to pack into boxes. In order to pack it into boxes, it needs to know the size of your box. All the FedEx boxes by default are here already. You can add your own box, give it a name, tell us the size of it, the weight of the box itself, which is usually very little, and then the max weight that it will hold. Make sure that you also enable that as an option and scroll to the bottom and hit save. You will then have the ability to have everything automatically put into boxes as opposed to treating it like separate individual items. All right, any questions? You know my number.